Alright, my love, so I just opened up the pack. So I'm really excited because I've really been on a natural lash kick lately. So, caution warning, part applied on oneself. Well, that's too bad. Keep away from direct sunlight. If eyelashes are leaking brittle, do not use. Wash eyes with water. Okay, got it. So include 3-time perm solution, moisturizing lotion, silicone pad, setting lotion, cleansing lotion, white rod in a cool, dark place. Okay. Use within 180 days. And then we have this lovely box right here, which is so cute. So these lashes are really cute, y'all. Hold on, let me see if I could open with one hand. There you go. So I really like these. These are cute. I like dainty lashes. So I will be trying these on. Luckily, this came in right before Valentine's Day. So I'll be doing my own makeup. So I'm excited. I'll use these for sure because I love a natural lash. Okay, so I just opened the box. The only reason why I'm not really showing myself right now is because I didn't want the stuff to fall out. But these are the lash lift instructions, which I'll be following. And I need to read this verbatim just to make sure I don't do anything wrong. Okay, and there's this. Oh, y'all, I'm scared. Okay, I'm excited, but I'm scared at the same time. So let me see if I can actually have somebody help me. Hi, my love. So today I'm doing semi of a review on Pinkzio Eyelash Perming Kit. So I'm really excited. So my best friend is here to help me put this on. So in a lot of videos, girls do this by themselves. However, I wear contacts naturally. And right now, because I'm working with a fingernail that broke, I'm like, I'm not doing this by myself. So my friend's gonna help me relax and get this done the right way. So she did follow the instructions. After this, I'm going to be doing a voiceover so that way you all can hear the steps and how it's done. It does come with the instructions, so you're not doing it alone. But these are most of the things here that come inside. So it comes with the perming lotion, 3 perming lotions, 3 setting lotions, 2 moisturizing lotions, and the 4th thing is cleansing water, and then eyelash glue. So they did give me eyelashes, which I will put on later. You know, I'm really big on the whole natural look thing. It also comes with these right here, which this helps perm the lashes. And then they also have the instructions in here. So because I am directionally challenged, your girl is using a helping hand. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this, and we're gonna see how this works out. All right, so you'll need Q-tips, tweezers, some spoolies. I also used witch hazel, and forgive me, I call it molecular, but it's micellar, something like that, water to clean my eyelashes as well as just washing my face. But these will be the first eye shields that we'll be using, as well as, sorry y'all, the eyelash glue. So you'll actually have to glue the eye shields, I guess that's what you call them, onto your eye. So as you see here, my best friend is actually gluing these down to my eye, which I honestly thought was so weird. The other little strips that come in the pack, I guess you can use those as well because those are sticky. But according to the instructions, you want to glue the lash in sections down to the little eye shield. That's what we're going to call them for today. And my eyelashes were being really stubborn, so she did have to put a lot of glue. I don't know a way to maybe make your eyelashes probably a little less stubborn. But this is what she did every now and then. So next we actually are going to be using the Perming lotion, which it does come with number 1. And with this, she used a clean Q-tip and is applying the Perming lotion. Y'all, this stuff stinks. It smells so bad. It literally smells like Mazzani or Motions Virgin Relaxer. It smells terrible, and this actually made me really nervous. Alexis was telling me to open my eye because apparently she was grabbing some of my lower lashes, so that's one of the reasons why my eye is open. And sorry for my jacked up eyebrows, but you'll let that sit for 10 minutes, and then next you'll be using this setting lotion, which, as you can see, it shows the number 2. So what Alexis went and did was kind of remove some of the Perming lotion with a clean Q-tip. Every time she goes to my eye, she's using clean supplies, y'all. So after she cleans it up about twice, then she goes back in with the setting lotion. And I assume that this just helps the lashes set and kind of stay longer, whatever the case may be. So after she applies it, she also lets it sit for another 10 minutes. And now she is wiping it off with a clean Q-tip yet again. And she had to do this a few times because apparently the setting lotion likes to stay, and my eye was getting a little watery. So I kept using a regular Kleenex just to wipe the water from my eye. Now she's using the moisture lotion. So I'm assuming after doing all this, your eyes can be a little crunchy, but that's why they supply you with the moisture lotion. So my eyes, as of right now, do not feel crunchy at all. By the way, going back, she did clean my eyelashes off again with a clean Q-tip before applying the moisture lotion. So she tried to clean up as much of the setting lotion as she could, and she let that stay on for 5 minutes. So you'll have 2 10-minute steps, and then the last step is 5 minutes. So I'm up here wiping the water from my eye because, y'all, stuff that's too close to my eye just makes my eye water. That's why I don't wear eyeliner all the time. So now she's going back in and cleaning off my lashes with a clean Q-tip. The next step is to use the cleansing water to help remove it. Why? They also say use it for the very beginning, but I don't know. It said step 4, so we didn't see that. So they want you to remove the lashes at this point, and she was using the tool that came into the pack, but I guess because there was so much glue on my lashes, the cleansing water wasn't really helping. So we actually started using, y'all forgive me, I call it molecular water, but I'm gonna put the link down below so you'll know what it is. And she ended up using the tweezers, more of the cleansing water, a little bit of the witch hazel and the other stuff, which ended up getting a little bit too much in my eye, and a clean spoolie to clean all the residue and glue away from my eyes. And there was still a little bit some left, but this is the end result. So as you can see, the left eye is what we did with the perming, and it does give a lot more of a natural lift as to compare to my other eyelashes, which stick straight out, and you'll see that in a second. So it's almost like using mascara.